You will have seen this document in videos earlier in the playlist. They are notes on machine code, assembly language, comparison of assembly language and machine code, a compiler, an interpreter, and a comparison of compiler and interpreter. It is a 3-page document of notes that will be given to students. If you are going to give a lecture based upon these notes, it would be very handy if you could obtain a list of bullet points from the text in this document. You can then use those bullet points in things like PowerPoint. Now you can see I've zoomed in to the top of the first page of the document. I will now click on to this icon. This will appear, and into this you will enter your prompt. And you can see I've typed in extract key points from this document and present them as clear bullet points. You then click on generate. Copilot, with the assistance of AI, will now generate the bullet points. I will now click on keep it. Now you can see it's produced a number of bullet points on machine code. Let's just read a few of them. Lowest level programming language executed directly by a CPU, composed of binary instructions, ones and zeros, specific to the CPU architecture. I'll go to the last one, useful for debugging and optimization to view exact CPU instructions. Scrolling down, you can see more bullet points on assembly language. Scrolling down again, and you can see it's done a comparison of assembly language versus machine code as a sequence of bullet points. So you have a list of bullet points, which is a very good starting point for a lecture, and you can copy these across into PowerPoint and edit as you see fit. Now, in truth, it's done a reasonably good job here, but it has missed some things out. It hasn't done anything on the compiler, the interpreter, and a comparison of compiler and interpreter. Now, that would require me to issue another prompt to remind it that it needs to cover both interpreter, compiler, and a comparison of an interpreter and compiler. Now, I won't do that in this video, but it is a pretty straightforward task. You would simply ask it to do some bullet points on those 3 topic areas, and it would respond. What I particularly like about this is you can write up your notes, and then you can convert the notes to bullet points to use as you see fit. And this is a tremendous amount of spade work done for you. It's then, like everything else, you have to edit what is produced.